Okay, we just learned how we can insert a data into a table, right, using an insert query. So now we will learn how we can add multiple data, multiple records, or multiple rows at once. How we can do it? It's pretty simple and easy. Let's have a look how we can do it. Again, MySQL workbench is open, and this is my last query that I wrote. And now how we can create multiple records. It's very simple, very simple. This is, if you remember how, if you know how we can add single data, so it is pretty easy to add multiple data. Now whenever you talk about multiple, then bear in your mind, or keep in your mind, or remember the keyword, or remember a concept called array. Basically, a single value is called, for example, if a single value is called a variable in programming, and we want to add multiple values, so we need to use array, right? So I think here we will not use any array, but if you want to, in PHP you might use an array, of the concept of array, to insert multiple data, right? Because I got stuck once upon a time, I got stuck in inserting multiple data, so that's why I'm telling you. Okay. Now how we can add multiple? It's very simple. We will put semicolon at the first value, and then we will simply duplicate this, right? Only we will duplicate this line, right? This line we need to duplicate it, and we put semicolon at the end, right? If we just copy this and paste it here, what is the next name? For example, this time it would be my name, for example. This is male, and the date of birth, we can add it, change date of birth, and then the date, for example, I'll add now function here. And if I just copy them and paste them here, right? So basically this is the key thing that we have to remember, that we just, after the value, right, after the value keyword, you need to pass a simple array, and then we will add a comma and then the values. So this is how we can insert multiple data using this query, and it was very simple. And we will put semicolon at the end, and let's just execute the query, and we'll see the effects. Execute, there it is. And if we just hide the bottom bar and expand it, what's going on? Right, there it is. We just got the data, right? Ali 2 times me, Ali, right? And we got some around 6 data. So that's how auto increment is working in that column, because while we create our schema, so we just added member ID would be auto increment. So this is the effect of auto increment. So it is adding it by 1, 2, 3, because we did not mention auto member ID here, so it's automatically adding it. So this is the magic of auto increment, right? So that's how we can add multiple data or insert data. So as our series progresses, we will learn many and amazing things, right? So I'll see you in the next video.